This is a question from paper 3, and that's the skills and fieldwork paper, and this is a question relating to our fieldwork inquiry in Portsmouth, which was our human inquiry. So the question says, suggest one way that the validity of conclusions drawn from this inquiry could be improved. So I've got the word suggest, so that means explain or give reasons, and it's one way, and we're looking at the validity of our conclusions being improved. So that's basically an evaluation. What could you do better next time? So it's 2 marks, so I need to say something that could be improved and how I'm going to improve it, or how it's actually going to improve my investigation. So the validity of the conclusion, to a median extent, there is inequality in Portsmouth. It could be improved by visiting more sites across the city. 1 mark. How is this going to improve it? So this would increase the accuracy of my primary data, which would improve the validity. So quite clearly there, I've said one thing that could be improved and a way to improve it, and that's got us the 2 marks.